mind blown, eh?
Yep.
Can't believe it was the first time we've seen it. Huh? What's the tree person? I don't know, she just likes hugging the tree. That's sort of her thing. I don't know, babe. Who knows, eh? Oh, Trina, what day is it? Turn around.
Oh.
It's a Sunday fun day. She's been waiting all holiday to wear that. She missed it the first time and she was so sad, weren't you?
Yep.
But now she's happy.
Fun day.
It's what?
Christmas party.
Yeah, Christmas party later on. Long time away for that though.
Cookies and hot chocolate and yum.
Cookies, hot chocolate. The first is starting off in the animal kingdom. So we have to see.
Mickey and Minnie. Have a good one. Hey, don't play all the way up to the deck for me.
So are we going
We'll be doing this all, yeah.
Shall we do him first?
Yeah, open and ready to go for our friends, okay?
Oh my goodness, it's Batman.
Right, what have you got, Trine?
Blueberry cheesecake mousse. Just white chocolate. Ooh, purple.
It's nice. Looks like a little egg on top.
Just like meringue. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's alright. Can't say I'm a massive fan, but
I'd probably get it next time.
yeah, I don't think I'd buy it.
Pandora is pretty.
Talk about the queues.
The queues are huge. Like, flight to passage is 195 minutes. Navi River journey is 135 minutes. Great.
It's not worth queuing up for that
I'd
long.
never queue for that long for anything.
If you park your backside, get on your phone, you'll find the fast pass for both of them within half an hour.
We've got a fast pass for Navi later anyway.
Yeah, but like last time we were here, we turned down Navi on fast pass about 5 times just because we couldn't be bothered going on it a second time.
And we got flight to passage twice on a fast pass too.
Yeah, they're out there.
Yeah, they are.
I'd sooner be glued to my phone for half an hour than
Stand in a queue for half an hour, but you've still got 3 hours left.
yeah. Hell no. But it is dead pretty. We do love Pandora.
Love Pandora. And I like the cheesecake. It was really good.
Yeah.
So nice.
She loves cheesecake.
I could have a massive one of them little blueberry cheesecakes. It's great. And we did the mobile pickup and it was really easy. It was fun.
Yeah.
Something different.
Took like 2 minutes, didn't it?
Yeah. Rather than waiting in the queue for what, half an hour. It was massive.
It was huge.
Day one now. Sunday in the shower.
It started raining, so I've got
2 hats
I've got him wearing my my hoodie.
and 2 hats.
Got a size on it.
First person is this side.
Oh, I am a very good dog barker. Others in my family think they are better barkers, but I am the best.
My turn.
And then me again.
Woof woof.
Oh, I hope we go on a ride soon. Can we? Can we? Please? Please, please, please?
My turn. I want to go.
Oh, yes. It would be nice to be a dog. Then I could stick my head out the window when we drive, and my tongue would flap in the wind.
That's you to a T.
Do I have to take a bath tonight? I think I am still very clean from my last bath.
I've noticed. Oh, pretty butterfly. They came to say hello. Did you?
I love this bit, going backwards. And it's so happy.
That seemed faster than normal.
Yeah, I know. Did it make your stomach when we were going backwards? Did mine, honestly. I'm really made up.
How was that, Jack?
Did it make your stomach go? Yeah.
Do you need some new underwear? No?
No. Not today.
Not today.